Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very famous person, Elon Musk. He is an inventor, a businessman and the CEO of companies like SpaceX, Tesla. Let's learn about his life and how he became one of the most important people in the world. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. He grew up in a family with his mom, May Musk, his dad, Errol Musk, and his younger brother and sister. From a young age, Elon was very smart. He liked to read books and learn new things. When he was 10-year-old, Elon got his first computer. He learned how to program and created his first video game called Blaster. It was a space game and Elon sold it for $500 when he was just 12-year-old. Elon wanted to do big things, so when he was 17, he moved to Canada. Later, he went to the United States to study at the University of Pennsylvania. He studied two subjects, physics and economics. After he finished university, Elon moved to California to work in the technology industry. He wanted to change the world and make it better. Elon Musk's first big company was called Zip2. It was a website that helped newspapers show their news online. The company was very successful in 1999. A big company called Compaq bought Zip2 for nearly $300 million. Elon then used the money to start another company called X.com. X.com was an online payment system. Later, it became PayPal, a website we use today to send money online. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon Musk had a big dream. He wanted to send people to space. So in 2002, he started a new company called SpaceX. His goal was to make space travel cheaper and help humans go to Mars. SpaceX has done amazing things. In 2008, the company became the first private company to send a rocket to space. SpaceX has also built rockets that can come back to Earth and be used again. This is a very big achievement. Another of Elon's big dream was to help the Earth. He wanted to make cars that did not use gas and were good for the environment. So in 2004, joined a company called Tesla Motors. The company makes electric cars. Tesla became very successful because it made cars that were fast, cool and good for the environment. Elon's goal is to help stop climate change by using clean energy. Elon Musk is not only working with SpaceX and Tesla, he has many other projects too. He helped start Solar City, a company that makes solar panels for homes. Solar panels use the power of the sun to make electricity. Elon also started a company called The Boring Company. It builds tunnels under cities to help cars move faster and avoid traffic. Another big project is Neuralink. This company is working on technology to help people with brain problems. They want to connect the human brain with computers. Today, Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world. He is always thinking about new ideas to help people and the planet. He works hard to make the world a better place by using technology. Elon has faced many problems and challenges, but he never gives up. He always tries to solve problems, and this is why he is so successful. Elon Musk is an example of how hard work and big dreams can change the world. He is not just building rockets and cars, he is helping us think about the future. Who knows what new ideas Elon will have next? Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Elon Musk. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you next time.